Dear children, are you all getting bored? So I am here to tell you a story on stubborn elephant. So in a forest, there lived a family of elephants wherein in that the younger elephant was very stubborn. What do you mean by stubborn? When mama calls you, come drink milk, you say, no, no, I don't want to drink. When mama says, oh, come, let's go for a walk, you will tell, no, I am not interested. That is called as stubbornness. Here, this younger elephant, when mama, papa, brother, sister are all swimming in the pond, this doesn't want to swim. When one day what happened, mother elephant and father elephant wanted to go for a walk and asked the baby elephant, oh my son, where are you? Come, let's go for a walk. The baby elephant said, no, I am not coming. It's boring for me. Mama elephant said, why? What happened you, my dear? Why are you saying like this? Your brother, sister, everyone are joining with us. You also come and join. The baby elephant said, no, I don't want to join with you. I don't want to join with you. I don't want to join with you. It's getting bored for me. And said, I am bored to be like an elephant. I don't want to be an elephant, said the baby elephant. Then both the parents got annoyed to listen these words and also shocked to see the behavior of the baby elephant. But still they said, okay, don't worry, you be here itself. We will be back before it becomes dark. And said goodbye and told baby elephant to be careful. Baby elephant played inside the water for some time and then got bored and sat on the grass. And as it was getting bored and suddenly what happened? A deer passed. Seeing this, baby elephant is thinking, even I should have been like a deer. And started thinking, even I should jump, hop like a deer. And started jumping and hopping. Elephant couldn't hop. So what happened? It bumped his head. Ooh. Then he thought, okay, let me start walking. It went just inside the forest, saw that monkeys are all playing happily. So it went and asked the monkeys, oh dear monkeys, even I want to jump from one branch to the other branch. Please take me. No. All the monkeys suddenly heard this voice from the elephant and got down. What happened? One went and sat on him and one started pulling his ears. One started putting a coconut on his head. One pulling the tail. One hung on the trunk. So it was so torture for the elephant, kicked everyone and thought, I don't want to be like a monkey. Let me walk. Just went ahead. Then when it's going ahead, it saw a beautiful squirrel on the branch. And it's taking just a nut and eating it. So thought, even if I were small like this, even I would have gone to the branches. So thinking like that, what the elephant did, it went and peeped inside the burrow of the squirrel. The squirrel got scared, didn't want to make any friendship with the elephant, so just jumped out and ran away. This elephant thought of becoming small by going inside the trunk. So it squeezed his body inside and got squeezed there, couldn't bring it back. Then it got hurt and thought, I don't want to be like a squirrel, and just started moving. When it was going ahead, again it saw one beautiful bird flying in the sky. So thought, even I should fly like this bird. Can the elephant fly, children? No. But it went and asked the bird, oh bird, can you teach me how to fly? The bird said, sure, I can teach you. You can learn. Both of them went on the high cliff below, on the top of, below there is a water lake. So the bird opened a feather and started flying. But elephant couldn't fly and fell into the water. So it bumped his head, body full, it's paining now. Ooh, ah! It started getting pain, and in a very disappointed mood went and sat there. So the bird came and said, take care of my dear. Oh, you don't have wings? No, that's why you couldn't fly, and went off. So in the moment, it saw a small bird falling inside the water. So the mother bird started shouting, oh, somebody help, 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 help. My baby is inside the water. It's going to drown. Please, somebody help, 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 help. Hearing this, elephant went inside the water, searched for the bird, a small baby bird, took it from the water, from his trunk, and safely kept aside. So who saved this bird now? The baby elephant saved the bird. And the mother of this bird was very happy, came and thanked the elephant. Oh dear, if you weren't there here today, my baby would have got drowned. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, said the baby bird. So this elephant is now happy to be elephant. Just because I am elephant, I could save this bird. Realize the mistake of being born to be like a elephant. Now this baby elephant is very happy, very proud to be an elephant and it started walking towards the house. So on the way it saw a bird, a squirrel, then monkeys, then who else do you remember? Deer. Very good. It will see everyone, but then also now it's not feeling that I should be a deer, I should be a bird. No, now I am an elephant. I am proud to be an elephant. So did you all enjoy this story, children? Yes, I know you would have enjoyed. Thank you. Love you.